Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Have you found yourself locked out of your iPhone with either the iPhone Unavailable or Security Lockout screen displayed? As you probably know, this usually happens when you repeatedly enter the wrong passcode to unlock your device. In this video, I will show you the best tool to use that can reset your device passcode, especially if you've forgotten it completely. Let's go. Forget complicated passcode resets. A third-party unlocker tool makes it easy. There are many programs available right now, but personally, I prefer using this particular tool because it can rapidly remove passcode type, including 4-digit, 6-digit, custom numeric, alphanumeric combinations, Touch ID, and Face ID. Want to give it a try? Well, you can use my link below to directly download the software and get an exclusive free trial on your first use. After you install the program, connect your device to your computer using an original or an MFI certified cable. From the dashboard, you'll want to use the Unlock iOS screen feature. Click Start, and the software should automatically detect your device. Next, download the firmware package. Along with removing your passcode, the software also updates your device to the latest compatible iOS version. Just make sure your computer has at least 7 GB of free space to download it successfully. Once the download is complete, the program will automatically start removing your passcode. This may take several minutes, so keep your device connected during the process. After successfully removing the iPhone passcode, you can set up your iPhone as a new device. This includes setting up a new passcode, Touch ID, and Face ID settings. If you have a previous iTunes or iCloud backup, you can also restore your device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.